let me explain why out of 300,000 plus takers, 40,000 plus lang ang nakapasa, which is equivalent to 14%. I found out, number one root cause is accessible yung exam requirement. Yes, you heard it right. 18 years old ka, may diploma ka ng high school, may valid ID ka, may 500 pesos ka, pwede ka nang mag-apply ng civil service exam. But here's the truth. Easy to enter but hard to pass dahil accessible na yung exam, so marami yung pumapasok, kumukuha, sumasabak ng exam na hindi handa. And kung sasabak ka na hindi nakapaghanda, I tell you, 0.0001% ang probability na makapasa ka. Number 2, root cause is insufficient preparation. Yung mentality kasi na as long as meron kang 500, unlimited text naman, tapos general education test lang naman yan. Pagkatapos, nung nakaupo ka sa exam, boom! Yung math, grammar, logic, nakalimutan mo lahat. Since high school pa. Kaya, review talaga before exam. Number 3 root cause is rigorous passing score. Yeah, hindi ito typical na passing score na 70% or 75%. The CSE requires at least 80%. Yes, 80% talaga. Weighted pa ang subjects, meaning hindi ka pwede makampante kahit isang part lang. Dapat all subjects, you treat them all equally. Number 4, root cause is time management. Ito yung silent killer ng scores. Alam mo yung feeling na ang dami pa ng sasagutan mo pero ang bilis ng oras? Item 140 ka pa lang pero yung time is 10 minutes na lang? That's the CSE. Minsan, yung kumukuha ng exam ay hindi naman talaga kulang sa knowledge. Minsan, kulang rin sa strategy at pacing. Number 5 root cause is knowledge retention. 5 years na graduate, 10 years out of school. So most examinees are working, parents na, or matagal nang hindi nag-aaral. So kahit basic topics, hindi na ganoon ka-fresh sa mind. Kaya kahit simple problem, nagiging mahirap. Number 6 and the last, motivation level. Yes. Kasi maraming mga civil service exam takers na mayroong suicidal exam mindset. Suicidal exam lang. Suicidal exam taking. So some take the test para subukan lang. Some dahil required sa trabaho. And when we're not motivated from within, hindi solid ang preparation at ang magiging resulta mo. So, but here's the beautiful truth. Passing the civil service exam is not about being naturally smart. You heard it right. Passing the civil service exam is not about being naturally smart. It's about preparation, discipline, and the right guidance and mentorship. Yes, kailangan mo talagang pumili ng mentor. Kasi, mahihirapan yung sarili mo mag-analyze ng lahat kasi nga nakalimutan mo na. And para maging prepared ka emotionally, physically, mentally, socially, kailangan mo rin talaga mayroon ka mga supporters or even just a mentor. Kasi yung mindset na unlimited 500, unlimited takes yung civil service exam. I tell you, although unlimited din, pero masakit pa rin yun. And it's a waste of time and energy. So kailangan, pag kailangan mo talaga yung civil service exam para sa future mo at para sa future ng family mo, kailangan mong bigyan ng effort. Kung yung iba ay nagdodoble, ikaw ay magtitriple. So if you are struggling right now, if you are struggling in your current situation, your reason is valid. You are not alone. Pero hindi dapat ito magiging hadlang sa pangarap mo, sa success mo. Study smart, study prayerfully, study with purpose, and always tuon maay. I hope this episode helped you and see you next time. Bye-bye.